We've got new video of the progress happening at Perfect Day at CocoCay, coming up on Talking Cruise. Hi everyone, this is Chris Cardona. This past weekend of February 8th through the 10th, 2019, I was on board Mariner of the Seas for a 2-night cruise from Miami to CocoCay. Unfortunately, due to high winds and waves, I never actually made it ashore, as it was deemed unsafe for guests to take tender boats from the ship. The good news is that I was able to get some shots of the construction happening for Perfect Day at CocoCay. You'll notice in the video that the pier, which likely would have allowed us to dock the ship for my cruise, is nearing completion. Also, the Thrill Water Park is well on its way, with many of the slide sections already installed. Perfect Day at CocoCay Phase 1, which includes the new pier, Thrill Water Park, Zip Line, Splashaway Bay, Helium Balloon Ride, Oasis Lagoon, and some of the new dining venues, will be open in early May.